Hey yo, trophy wife, out you won me. Until you had to find out it's one me. Now you benched, all your bum knee. Now I'm the bad guy, call me Chun-Li, cause you was slipping.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I took my hair from blonde to black. I picked up the Creme of Nature Exotic Shine Color with Argan Oil. It's in the color Intense Black and it's permanent, and I got it from Sally's. Be sure to read your instructions very carefully, wear gloves, and use this in a well-ventilated area. This kit contains the Argan Oil Intensive Conditional Treatment, the Cream Color Developer, the Permanent Cream Gel Hair Color, and the Argan Oil Treatment. So now I'm just going to use my Vaseline Petroleum Jelly and cocoa butter, and I'm just going to apply this around my edges, my ears, my neck, just to protect it from the hair color. So now I'm just parting my hair in 4 sections and then just combing it out to get it ready for the color. So now I'm just taking the applicator bottle and I'm applying the color at the bottom of my hair first, because that's where majority of the blonde is. What I love about this hair color is it is a gel consistency, so you don't have problems with it splashing everywhere. So now I'm just taking my applicator bottle and I'm going through the edges, through the roots, and every other place that I missed. I only use 1 box, but if your hair is thicker or longer, you may need to use 2. So now I'm just going section by section through my hair, and I'm going to make sure that all the product is covering every strand of my hair. So with the instructions, it says if you have natural hair, gray hair, or resistant hair, you can let it sit for 30 minutes. So my hair is chemically treated, so what I'm going to do is put a plastic cap on it and I'm going to let it sit for 25 minutes. So after that, I'm going to go in and shampoo it out with my Ion Purifying Solutions Clarifying Shampoo. Right after that, I'm going to use my Creme Moisturizing Shampoo, and I'm going to shampoo twice. I'm going to use my Argan Oil treatment that came in the box of hair color, and I'm going to leave that on for 10 minutes and then rinse out. Next, I'm going to apply my Creme Nourishing Mask, and this is a deep conditioner. I let it sit on for 1 hour. After rinsing that out, I apply my Creme Daily Provision Leave-In Conditioner. After that, I part my hair in 4 sections and apply my Creme Platinum Blow Dry Spray. Then I begin to blow dry. I added Flexi Rods overnight. Took them out the next morning. I added my Revive Oil by Creme. So this is the finished product. Did still see a little specks of blonde popping out, but for the most part, I love it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.